This healing soup is my secret weapon during flu season. With antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory ingredients like ginger, turmeric, garlic, and lemongrass, it gives your body exactly what it needs to fight back. The real secret is in the base. Instead of just chopping these ingredients and tossing them into the pot like most people do, I actually blend them. Ginger root, turmeric root, garlic, onions, lemongrass, chili flakes, lime juice, celery, and hemp seeds get blended with water to create a powerful healing mix that infuses the whole soup. Here's how to make it. First, boil chicken and skim off the foam and impurities that rise to the top. While that's cooking, blend all those healing ingredients until smooth. Once the chicken is ready, pour the blended mixture into the pot and let it all cook together. Then, add whatever vegetables you have on hand. In this batch, I used onion, celery, carrots, and green peas. Finally, I served it over a bed of fresh spinach so it gently wilts from the heat of the soup. And here's a bonus. You can also sip this as a healing broth on its own. Perfect for when you just want something warm and restorative.